Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. Now let's look at the next situation. You're driving on a warm afternoon, everything seems normal, and suddenly, you notice white steam rising from the front of your vehicle. It begins to escape from the edges of the hood and drift upward into the air. This is one of those moments when every driver needs to stay calm, but act quickly. Steam is a warning sign that something is wrong, and continuing to drive could cause serious engine damage. The most common reason for this situation is simple. Your cooling system has overheated. When the engine gets too hot, coolant can begin to boil and turn into steam. This steam escapes through the radiator, the coolant reservoir, or hoses under the hood. This can happen because of low coolant A, leak in the cooling system, a failed water pump, a stuck thermostat, a faulty radiator. Regardless of the exact cause, one rule always applies. Steam equals overheating. Question: steam coming from underneath the hood of your vehicle may mean that Answer 1. Your anti-lock brakes have failed. Answer 2. There is a short circuit in the electrical system. Answer 3. There is a danger of fire. Answer 4. The cooling system has overheated. Correct answer. Answer 4. The cooling system has overheated. Explanation: steam is produced when coolant reaches a boiling point. This is a classic symptom of an overheating engine. While fire and electrical issues produce smoke, not steam, overheating specifically produces white steam. If this happens, safely pull over, turn off the engine, and allow it to cool before checking the coolant level. Final answer, answer 4, the cooling system has overheated. Now let's move on to another real-life driving situation. You're cruising along a quiet road on a sunny afternoon. The traffic is light, the visibility is good, and everything seems completely normal. Suddenly, you notice flashing red and blue lights appearing in your rearview mirror. A police car is right behind you, signaling for you to pull over. You slow down smoothly, check your surroundings, and pull onto the shoulder as safely as possible. The police car stops behind your white vehicle, and the officer steps out. Even if you haven't done anything intentionally wrong, this moment can still feel stressful for many drivers. That's why it's important to know exactly what documents the law requires you to present when an officer stops you for a traffic violation. The officer approaches your window politely and asks for your documentation. Many new drivers get confused here, but the rules are very clear. There are 3 essential documents every driver must carry and be ready to provide. Let's check which ones are required in this situation. Question: if a police officer stops you for a traffic violation, which of the following must you provide? Answer 1, driver license. Answer 2, vehicle registration. Answer 3, proof of insurance. Answer 4, both answer 1 and answer 2. Correct answer. Answer 4, both answer 1 and answer 2. Detailed explanation. During a traffic stop, the officer will always ask for your driver license to verify your identity and confirm that you are legally allowed to operate a vehicle. You must also show your vehicle registration, which proves that the vehicle is legally registered. In many states, officers may also request proof of insurance, but the minimum required documents in most jurisdictions are the license and registration. Driving without these documents can result in additional citations, even if the original reason for the stop was minor. Keeping them easily accessible, but not in a place unsafe to reach, helps the stop go smoothly and safely. Why the other options are incorrect. Answer 1 only. A driver license alone is not enough. Registration is also required. Answer 2 only. Registration without a license cannot confirm who is driving. Answer 3 only. Insurance is important, but not the primary required document in all situations. Summary: whenever police stop you for a traffic violation, you must present both your driver license and vehicle registration. These documents confirm your identity and the legal status of the vehicle. Final answer, answer 4, both answer 1 and answer 2. Now let's look at the next situation. You are driving up a steep hill on a busy roadway. Traffic is moving slowly, and eventually you come to a complete stop behind another vehicle. Hills create a unique driving challenge because if the car in front of you begins to roll backward, or if your own car rolls, there is a much higher chance of a collision. That's why your following distance on a hill must be greater than on flat ground. You need enough space so that if the vehicle ahead loses grip, stalls, or rolls even slightly, you still have time to react. This rule applies to all types of hills: steep city streets, mountain roads, freeway ramps, rural hills with limited visibility. Keeping extra distance ensures safety for you, the driver ahead, and everyone behind you. Question: when stopped behind another vehicle on a hill, you should stay back at least. Answer 1, 1 vehicle length. Answer 2, 2 vehicle lengths. Answer 3, 3 vehicle lengths. Answer 4, 4 vehicle lengths. Correct answer, 2 vehicle lengths. Detailed explanation. When you are stopped on an incline, gravity works against every vehicle. Even experienced drivers can accidentally roll backward for a moment, especially when driving a manual transmission, towing a trailer, or starting on a particularly steep hill. To protect yourself, the recommended safe distance is at least 2 vehicle lengths of space. This gives you enough room to react if the car ahead rolls back, prevent a rear-end collision, avoid panic braking, maintain better visibility of the road ahead, start moving smoothly when traffic begins to move again. This extra cushion of space also helps you avoid damaging your front bumper or getting pushed into oncoming traffic. Why the other options are incorrect? Answer 1, 1 vehicle length. This distance is too short. If the car ahead suddenly rolls back, you would not have enough time or space to avoid contact. Answer 3, 3 vehicle lengths. Although safe, this is more than necessary and may create an unusually large gap, causing other drivers to cut in or disrupt traffic flow. Answer 4, 4 vehicle lengths. This is excessive and impractical for normal hill traffic. It can confuse other drivers and reduce efficiency on the road. Summary: when stopping on a hill behind another vehicle, your goal is safety and reaction time. Leaving at least 2 vehicle lengths gives you the ideal amount of space to prevent collisions and maintain full control of your vehicle. Final answer: 2 vehicle lengths. Now let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a busy expressway at a steady speed. Traffic is flowing smoothly, and you're staying in your lane, keeping a safe distance from the vehicles ahead. You know your exit is coming up soon, so you begin to prepare. But suddenly, you realize you're already passing the exit ramp. It's too late. You missed it. This is a moment where many inexperienced or stressed drivers panic. Some slam on the brakes. Others try to swerve across multiple lanes at the last second. A few even stop on the shoulder and attempt to reverse back to the exit. All of these actions are extremely dangerous and illegal. On high-speed expressways, even a small, unexpected maneuver can lead to a serious multi-vehicle crash. That's why the law is very clear about what a driver must do when they miss an exit. Let's break it down. Question: if you miss your exit on an expressway, you should answer 1, make a U-turn to reach your exit. Answer 2, back up to reach your exit. Answer 3, stop and ask for help. Answer 4, continue to the next exit. Detailed explanation. Correct answer: continue to the next exit. Missing an exit is not dangerous by itself. Trying to fix your mistake in the middle of an expressway is dangerous. The safest and legally required action is simple. Stay calm, maintain your lane, continue driving forward. Take the next available exit, re-enter the expressway, and come back if needed. Expressways are designed with extra exits specifically for this purpose. There is never a reason to reverse, stop, or turn around on them. Why the other options are incorrect? Answer 1, make a U-turn to reach your exit. U-turns are strictly prohibited on expressways. There is no safe way to make a U-turn on a high-speed, multi-lane roadway. Answer 2, back up to reach your exit. Reversing on an expressway creates a deadly risk. Drivers behind you will not expect a vehicle moving backwards at highway speed. This is illegal everywhere. Answer 3, Stop and ask for help. Stopping on an expressway, especially in a live traffic lane, is extremely dangerous. Even on the shoulder, you risk being hit by distracted or changing lane drivers. Summary: missing an exit is inconvenient, not dangerous. Trying to correct the mistake in the middle of the highway is what causes accidents. Always continue forward until the next exit, then safely turn around. Final answer: continue to the next exit. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.